Hello everyone. I just got something for the truck that I've been wanting since I got the thing. So got it on the tailgate. Let's go look at it. I got a disc brake conversion from Scarebird. When I got my package from Scarebird today, it was broken open. The postal service did not take very good care of it, so I don't know if I'm actually missing pieces or not. I've sent an email to Scarebird to see if I'm missing anything. I think I probably am, but here's the brackets and I think some of the hardware, the rotors, the brake lines, the calipers with pads, and my new master cylinder. And I'm still lacking a couple of things, like I need an adjustable proportioning valve like I have on the Charger for the rear brakes, so I can adjust the brake bias to make sure the front brakes are getting all the pressure they need. And the front hubs actually have to be machined down to fit inside of the rotors right here, since that's what centers the rotor on the truck. So it's going to be a couple of months since I'm going to be able to put this on, but because of those extra things. But just thought I'd show you that a disc brake conversion is in the truck's near future. I would say probably 2 or 3 months. I will have this disc brake conversion installed. Oh, and something else I was able to finally do is install my ammo boxes that I've been wanting back here. These are bolted to the bed, so nobody can just walk off with them, and they're locked, so nobody can just walk up and open them and steal the lids or anything else I might have inside there. It's just going to be chains and small odds and ends. But I've been wanting something back here because somebody's had welded some angle iron to this back corner, and I wanted to do something cool with it. And I wanted a single ammo box that was big, but I couldn't really find anything that was actually short like this. But I got 2 of these, and they're in here bolted down good, not going anywhere. But yes, the truck has a disc brake conversion in its near future, and I really can't wait to get this put on. Well, there it is. There's my update on the truck. I've got a couple of projects lined up for it. Should have a video out by the end of the week. I had to do something with my door panels, and when I was driving to a show yesterday, my passenger window decided it wanted to get stuck, and the track came off the window and fell to the bottom of the door. So I'm gonna have to get into that passenger door, and while I'm at it, I'm thinking I might go ahead and put in that other just lost my train of thought. Put in that other vent window that I have out of the parts cab that I bought. Might go ahead and sandblast that and get that prepared to actually go in. So if I'm gonna have to take it out, if I'm gonna have to mess with it, I might as well go ahead and change it. But yeah, there it is. There's my update, and y'all look out for the disc brake conversion coming out in a couple months. And in less than 2 weeks now, I will be at the Delta River Cruisin at the Samstown Casino in Tunica, Mississippi. If you're going to be in the area or plan on being this way, I would love to meet you. I'm going to have my Charger and truck at the show this year. Last year we had about 700 cars because there was a threat of rain, but even with the threat of rain, it was still an awesome turnout. And this year I think they actually increased the year range, so we should have close to 1,000 cars, or more than 1,000 cars out there this year. So if you're in the area or plan on coming down, I would love to meet you. Keep an eye out for my Charger and my truck here. And if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.